Well, Walt Grayson is with us every Monday and Friday at 6 with another story that is focused on Mississippi.
And Walt, this story is about something coming back to life, but it isn't Halloween related.
Not that we don't have enough eerie stuff in Mississippi that we could tell you stories about, but this is good news for history buffs, preservationists, and anyone needing proof that persistent pays off, or if you just want to relate it to Halloween, something coming back to life that had been given up for dead. But in this case, it's a building. I've been doing stories in Rodney, and in particular at the old Presbyterian church, since back when there was enough buildings left standing you could tell there was sort of a town here at one time. Eudora Welty took some of her famous photographs here and lamented the passing of Rodney way back then, and that was well over a half-century ago. She wouldn't believe the place today. Wouldn't believe it in two respects: how much more of it is gone, and also how the old Presbyterian church looks so much better now than it did in her day. Why? Well, the ongoing restoration of the historic church. There's a new wrinkle in the fabric of that story. Second, most recently, the south wall has been totally rebuilt. The wall was buckling in the middle and leaning, and the experts said a few more inches of give and the whole church would have caved in on itself. The Rodney History and Preservation Society was formed and started raising money, enough to completely restore the wall. And then the other glaring problem with the church was the bell tower. It was leaning to the east. That had been for a while, but it was progressively getting more pronounced. The weight of the bell was warping the rafters supporting it, and those rafters ran the length of the church, and if they broke, down would come the church. So, more money was raised, more work was done, and the bell tower is once again straight, and its weight shifted to the foundation and not the rafters. Little things compared to the plight of mankind, yeah, but positive steps in the preservation of our history, our culture's footsteps. And it's still true that if we don't learn from our history, we are doomed to repeat it. And how can we learn from it if we don't preserve it?